Yeah, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Move this out the way. It was blocking the shot. Alright, well, not necessarily blocking the shot. But anyway, never mind all that. Your boy Dominoes 7 back with another video and stuff like that. Okay, so I want to let y'all know something. This Saturday, y'all, this Saturday is going to be our family reunion, okay? I hope y'all gonna enjoy the episode, okay? All right, the family reunion episode. All right, yeah, I can hardly wait, okay? I can hardly wait for that, you know. Yeah, so y'all gonna have fun seeing the family and stuff like that, you know. It'll be extra fun, you know. Yeah, okay. All right, so I just hope y'all gonna watch the show Saturday, okay? All right, so anyway. I'll try to upload the episode Saturday. If not, I'll probably upload it Sunday or Monday or something like that. Who knows, okay? Depends on how much data I got, you know? Alright, so that's about it. Okay, anything else I'm going to say, I'll come back to it, okay? Alright, see ya.